Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe for the vibes, turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also guys, give this video a thumbs up for this barbecue swai fish salad I'm about to devour. On the side here I have Caesar, ranch, and French. It's all mixed up. I have chopstick, wooden spoon, and the fork that we're used to. So let's see which one works. Alright, I'm gonna taste it first without the. So what's in the salad? I'm gonna taste it without the dressing first. What's in the salad is barbecue swai fish, pepper, sweet pepper. I'm still learning how to use chopstick. Forgive me. Oh. So sweet pepper, onion, mozzarella cheese, tomato, cucumber, and Scotch bonnet pepper on the top. I'm gonna do away with this in a minute because it's not doing me no justice. If you can see, we got Caesar on the top, French in the middle, ranch on the bottom. We're about to tear it up. So the salad has spice in it. I'm doing better with the chopstick now. So I'm just gonna ramble today. We're gonna play it by ear. This is good. Do you struggle with your chopsticks like I do? The thing is, no matter how many times I use it, I never get it. I think it's the roughness in me. Ooh guys, look at this. I did it again. I probably won't eat this full bowl. Baby made the best stuff. Look at this. I'm a chopstick pro. Okay guys, so I had to switch it, stop chopstick to the fork. The chopstick is taking up my time. When somebody say thank you, don't you say you're welcome? Courtesy, right? Or the courtesy. Thank you, you're welcome. You're welcome, thank you. I never understood the magnitude of thank you and you're welcome. Until I said to someone, thank you. I never said you're welcome. It's a kind gesture, and it's a proper thing to do, right? Besides that, it's polite. Thank you and you're welcome go a long way. So, for all our commenters, subscribers, likers, we thank you from the bottom of our heart for subscribing to our channel. Keep coming back, keep commenting, and interacting with us. Babes and I so appreciate you. Because you sure don't have to take time out your busy day to watch us, but you do. And we mostly appreciate it when you watch all the videos, the full length. So, it takes nothing from you to say you're welcome or to say thank you. Just don't be rude. Thank you, you're welcome, thank you. Oh God, I can't. Who's good salad? The swai fish is good. Me and babe do many things with the swai fish. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Don't be that human being who's having a bad day that want to ruin everybody else's day. Now he's so mad. He's working at the drive-thru. He can't say you're welcome. So he's at the drive-thru trying to ruin everybody's day. You know, salad is very filling. You would think it's not because it's so light. But all the stuff that's in there is hitting the spot. I'm gonna find a swai fish for you guys so I can show it to you. Swai fish. Now guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about the barbecue swai fish salad. And do you find it insulting, unpolite, if you say thank you and a person don't say you're welcome? Personally, I do, but 5 minutes after I forget about it and was like, Oh, you're grumpy. This was good. Mm-hmm. If you want to, rent Jay for a day. She'll cook for you. She's a great cook. No, I'm playing. I'm joking. Don't worry about it. This was delicious. So guys, this is where I leave you. Thank you for eating with me. Until we see you again, until we meet again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye guys.